What is a DHA and how do I know if I need one? Well, there's a lot of little things to consider to determine whether you need a DHA. It stands for dust hazard analysis. And NFPA now requires a dust hazard analysis whenever you have a dust that may be combustible. But the problem is, how do you know if it's combustible? Which also means your dust is explosive. So take, for example, silica sand. You know, we're pretty sure that silica sand is non-combustible. So you may not have to worry as much about that. But you might have a dust that's, you know, say a aluminum shaving. So you might have an aluminum shaving application at your plant, and you see these aluminum shavings that may not be combustible, but there might be a fine dust that's underneath this that might be. So what a dust hazard analysis does is it will go through all of the different processes that you have in your facility that may generate a dust, and it will identify the spots in your process that may cause a spark or may cause a fire or may cause an explosion or creates dust that is flammable. Some people start out their dust hazard analysis with getting the dust that's generated from their processes tested to see if it is combustible. So then you can work backwards and say, okay, now we do have a combustible dust. Now we can do the analysis of the entire process to determine where the risks are, what is most likely to cause a fire or explosion, and how can we mitigate or protect as well as we can those processes. A dust hazard analysis can be done by somebody that's hired by your facility as an outside contractor that's trained to do that, or some companies may have somebody on their environmental health and safety team, or somebody else that may have experience or may have been designated as somebody who is properly trained to do a hazard analysis of their facility.